What's up guys, welcome to Where is the Money YouTube channel. My name is Leo and on this channel I'll be showing you how to grow a £50 account into 10k in 6 months. Like I promised, every week I'll be showing you guys my progress, so let's just get right into it. My account grew 55%, alright? So my balance was 50 and this is the second week. Now my account is on 76.95. Alright, now let's have a look here on the right on the growth. We can see that it's been going up, a little bit down, up, a little bit down, up, then down here on 13th of January. Okay, on 13th of January, guys, trying to grow a small account steadily, doing the right thing, it's not easy. Alright, you see everywhere people growing 50 to 1,000 in hours, but they're not doing it using the right risk. Okay, and in here I really fell into the temptation of trying to make the account grow fast that day. And what happened, my plan, I didn't follow my plan properly, and the account ended up going into the drawdown. However, I didn't close the positions, so I ended up leaving them open. Then I ended up recovering. Then on the 15th, right, I took the account back where it was supposed to be. So the profitability is of 380 trades, I won 239. Like I said, it's too much for for 2 weeks of trading. But when you go in a small account, guys, using a 0.01 lot size, if you don't find that perfect, let's say, trade to give you the amount that you need, you find yourself, having to open 1 or 2 positions or having to open more positions. And when you are in drawdown, you end up opening even more. What you should really do, what I should have really done, once I lost some money, I should have just stepped out. But as I just said, you know what? Let me just assess and see what's happening. Let's check in terms of history. What currency pairs did I trade? I remember saying that I was not going to touch gold, but there was a gold sell trade that was looking too juicy. I was like, you know what? I can't resist. Let me just place it and place my stop loss and see how it goes, right? So I traded gold. Okay, gold was on Friday only. So the whole week I didn't touch gold, but on Friday I saw an opportunity because I was watching it for the whole week. I saw an opportunity. Everything was lining up. I said, you know what, let me just take it. But mostly I was trading USD JPY, GBP USD, GBP AUD, and Euro USD. Okay, guys, I know why I'm focusing in these pairs, because I know them quite well, and I know they're kind of correlated, and it's easier for me to keep an eye and know what's happening. Once you get more experience in trading, you should know which currency pairs that you want to focus on and just keep an eye on those currency pairs, because if you know them, right, it will be easier for you to know what's happening in the market and you can find opportunities. All right, so this is where my account is, guys. Like the market, there's going to be up and downs. All right, so I just have to keep assessing my trades, keep assessing the way I do behave and respond to the market in terms of my emotions, and get hold of them better, because I do understand how the market moves. So one of the things that I would say, guys, is you might understand how the market moves, you might understand the inside in and out. It really comes to you as a person, your emotions, how you manage it, how you approach the market, because there's a reason why they say most of the people that get into trading fail, because this is an elite skill. They know an average person will not have them, let's say that, not the mental capacity, but mostly the emotional capacity, the emotional intelligence to deal with this market. This market, in terms of emotions, you really need to get hold of it and really learn, right? Because that's what really going to dictate if you are successful in trading or not. I might know everything inside, in and out, but I might not be successful. Someone might start this for 5 months and be already smashing it. So it depends of person to person. So really check yourself and the way that you behave into the market, what's happening, on that day? How's your emotions? How are you feeling? Because that will impact the way you approach the market. Now let me show you guys. So we've seen where, as you guys know, the account is verified, the trading privilege is verified. This is a real account on the IC markets broker. I trade mixed. Okay, it says fundamental, but I trade mixed. And you guys can see this is account that I'm growing. This is my challenge account that I'm going from 50 to 10K in 6 months to show you that you can also do the same. I'll be sharing along the way, right? How do I trade? How do I approach? What do I do? Let's just check some of the trades that I did take. So this was Euro USD. I had an eye on the Euro USD. All right. I did get a good entry, as you guys can see, all the way up here. Right. This trade was a risk to reward of 1 to 5. I saw the risk to reward. I said, cool, this trade can be a 1 to 5 risk to reward. Let me place the trade. The trade ended up coming down to this white rectangle here, right? I left the trade when the trade came here, okay? I left it, but like I said, I was already watching these currency pairs. I knew that most likely that it was going to pull back up, then start falling and come all the way to my red line down here. I was already watching it. But because of my account size, I say, you know what? Let me just preserve the capital. I already made the amount that I need, right? Let me just close it. But I was still where? On the GBP USD, guys. So the first time that I did catch the GBP USD was around here, right? I caught all the way down here to the white rectangle. Then it start pushing up again. Then I watch and say, wow, okay, I can tell where it's going. On the next video, guys, I'll be breaking down how do I actually analyze the market and find my entries. All right, the entries that can give me the best risk to reward as possible. All right, and then I found the second entry giving me a 1 to 3, 67 pips. Just left the trade, and I was already happy. So you should be know when to walk away from a trade. USD JPY, it was acting funny, right? All the other pairs were moving. I got the first entry up here, okay, down here. Then it went up. Then I left the trade. The trade ended up coming to the entry again. I did enter, but the trade was just moving around, like it was just staying around up here, right? So by the end of the day, I just closed the position. Then GBP AUD, this trade was beautiful. So originally, my main TP was all the way up here. Honestly, I saw the way the market was moving. Say, you know what? Let me just bring it to the to this high here, right? Let me just bring it to this high here and put my take profit there. This trade ended up coming to the take profit, reversing and shooting up. It's just to show that everything that I was looking at that week. So it's vitally important that you do focus into a certain currency pairs. You study how they move. It will be way easier for you. Okay, and we can see here how the trade here. Okay, this was the last week GBP AUD. I missed the entry here. Then I caught one entry here. Then the trade started reversing. Then it came actually back to the first entry that I really wanted the price to come to. Then it just shot up. So really, in terms of the setup, the trades that I was looking at, my entries, everything was aligning, everything was good. This is what allowed me to bring my account back to where it was supposed to be. Alright guys, there you have it, the update for the second week. If you like content like this, make sure you hit the like button. I'll see you guys next week. Take care.